in the state of Meghalaya.
The state government plans to have the first passenger ropeway from Shillong Peak to Lawsohtun with Rs 140 crore from the New Development Bank. The Cabinet on Wednesday cleared the ropeway bill in this regard. The Meghalaya Ropeway Bill 2022 will be placed in the Assembly, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma told reporters. The bill is to lay down the procedures for different passenger tourist ropeway that are expected to come up in the state. The government will be calling the tender for the ropeway in the next 15 to 30 days. Meanwhile, the Cabinet has also approved the Meghalaya State Consumer Protection Mediation Rules 2022. This is being done to ensure for any consumer protection issues, the arbitrations can be done at the district level so that they need not come to appellate authority.
The procedures, for different passenger tourist ropeways that are expected to come up in the state. The first one being the Shillong Peak ropeway, for which an amount of roughly about approximately 140 crores through the New Development Bank has already been sanctioned, and we expect that we should be calling the tender for this ropeway, Shillong ropeway project, in the next 15 days to 30 days time.